Well, here we are doing it again. We got two dirt bikes, and these are the XPRO Storm DLX 250. And about maybe 8 months ago, we unboxed and reviewed the Trailmasters, the TMC60s, in which they were 160cc bikes. We had a blast with those bikes. As a matter of fact, I even purchased a 300cc, which I regret selling. It was a great bike also, but we noticed that the TMC60s, they were a little bit too small for our weight, our height, and they were more for like younger, skinnier people in our opinion. And this time we're gonna do something a little bit different. Of course, we got now the 250s. These are street legal so that we can ride them around if we need to. Now, these are not really recommended for commuting. These are still mainly for off-road. So we got two of them this time. We have a blue and also a green. The green is going to be for me, and so we're going to start assembling that one. The blue one is for my stepson. The other guys that I ride with, they purchased some local ones that they got at a very good price. But since I like to create content of new products, I went ahead and purchased these from this time I got them from Power Sports Max, as they had a very good price on their site for Christmas time. They still have those prices, by the way. I think I paid $1,049 for this one. With the shipping, it was about $13.79 to my house. But now I had to pay the taxes at the DMV. I had to get the tag, the title. So they're gonna come to about $1,700. That's with a full registration, tag, taxes, everything, the title, everything already on my hands. So that's not a bad price considering that these are 250s. So the first thing we're doing here is taking it out of this brown box. I already took them off the pallet. And yes, I'm working alone. So these things are about 180 pounds. They come with 19-inch front tires and I think it's 17-inch rear tires. So there we go. This is our bike. And let me tell you guys, these are the cheapest dirt bikes that you can get with this engine, which is a 250cc. It's not gonna get any cheaper than this. I can tell you that right now. We are done with the XPRO Storm DLX 250. Everything is 100% assembled. I just went to the gas station and got some octane 93 gas. It is recommended you guys get, that premium fuel. Change that oil that came with the engine. That's what they refer as to shipping oil. Some people still use it and it's fine, but I just like to replace it. I got this 10W40 from Castrol. This is Power 1. It is designed for this kind of motorcycle. Check every single bolt and nut. Also, the chain came too tight, so right after this video, I'm gonna loosen up that chain. It is way too tight and there's no pressure on the swing arm. And typically when the swing arm gets compressed, the chain gets even tighter. So right now you can see this thing is just crazy tight right now. And yeah, this is our first start, guys. First start ever. Let's go ahead and choke it a little bit. You have to press the brakes, okay? There we go. First start ever, guys. It is not hard, but you had to have some tools. As you can see, I needed a whole bunch of tools to get this done. Every single tool on that floor was used. Don't forget to get dielectric grease so that when you connect your plugs, they don't get humidity, they don't get water in it. Make sure you use this. It is very important. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and share. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss future videos like this. And I'll see you guys pretty soon.